When you meet weekly and are there for each other through the ups and downs, you develop a strong bond that becomes unbreakable because it has been forged by Christ. Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is not going to be like my usual vlog because today I want to share something that has been on my mind. I woke up at 5 a.m. the other day and I was doing my regular quiet time. I was praying about how I could be a better D group leader, and God spoke to me and said, why not invite your online community to join your discipleship group? For those who are not familiar with the term D group or discipleship group, it's synonymous with the term small group or Bible study group. I have an all-female, all-girls D group where we meet online via Zoom every Wednesday at 6 to 8 p.m. to talk about our faith, our wins, struggles for the week, and then we pray for each other. It's a great community to be part of because, it reminds me to stay on track and to keep the faith despite the many temptations and distractions in this world. Having girls that I'm accountable to helps me watch my actions so that I don't become careless but instead thoughtful with whatever I do. And it's online, so wherever you are in the world, you can join us. In fact, I have one disciple who's now in Australia, and my husband and I are also starting a couples tea group, so we also welcome young couples to join us. Another friend of mine, she's a client of mine, she invested in a property here in Cagayan de Oro in Vilmira Heights, and she's based in Sweden. So I actually also invited her to my D group, and I'm also inviting another person that's based in another country as well. So the beauty with having an online discipleship group is that there are really no barriers, no borders, because with the internet, you can be wherever you are, but still you can gather together as one to really talk about your wins, your struggles, and to really grow your relationship with the Lord. So the reason also why my husband and I are starting a couples tea group is because we know that marriage is a journey that is not meant to be taken on your own, but with other couples. So at least through this, we can share our struggles, wins, and pray for each other, and we can also become stronger within the marriage. I truly believe in the power of prayer as well because God has helped me so many times. Every time I turn to Him in prayer, He never lets me down. We've been part of a D group for years now, and I started attending one even before I got married. And there are benefits. There are three main benefits that I've experienced in being part of a group. First is accountability. When you're part of a group that you're accountable to, you tend to watch yourself more because you know that you'll be answering to them and to the Lord. Second is wisdom. You are able to learn from each other, sharpen each other. Proverbs 27:17 says that as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. As followers of Christ, we sharpen each other and we are there to build each other up, to support each other in times of hardship, to rebuke each other when a brother or sister goes the wrong way. So there have been a lot of times in the past when I've been blessed to have been able to be there for a sister or a brother in need. And then third is relationship. When you meet weekly and are there for each other through the ups and downs, you develop a strong bond that becomes unbreakable because it has been forged by Christ. The relationships we've formed with our community has been one of the most fruitful and meaningful relationships we have had. My prayer for you is to be able to find a community that you can relate with and grow with, especially in these trying times. A lot of people are struggling with either financially or with their health or the loss of a loved one because of the pandemic. So we really need to be part of a community that can strengthen us and give us hope. It has never been more crucial for us to be part of a discipleship group. So if you're interested in joining our group, then we welcome you. Again, it's 6 to 8 p.m. every Wednesday. Just contact me and let's grow together in faith. I hope to see you soon.